To merge, split or edit transactions in Koinly, go to Transaction tab on your dashboard. Here you will see every deposit, withdrawal and swap from your connected wallets. Sometimes Koinly may show multiple entries for a single activity. For example, when you move coins between two of your own wallets or when you perform a token swap like wrapped Ether to Ethereum. And if we leave these entries as they are, Koinly might think we sold one coin and bought another, which would show as a taxable activity, even though we simply moved or swapped our own assets. To fix this, you will need to merge them into a single transfer. Now here you can see I swapped some Ethereum for another token. Koinly shows two separate rows for the same activity. One is send, which represents the Ethereum leaving my wallet, and the other is deposit, which is the new token coming in. If we leave these transactions separate, Koinly might treat them as a sale and as a purchase, which means it could show up as a taxable trade even though all I did was swap my own coins within the same wallet. So we need to fix it. For that, simply select the transactions that you want to merge. And once you selected the transactions, click on the merge button. Koinly will instantly combine them into the one single transaction. Now if you click on exchange and then open the ledger tab, you will see exactly what happened. In this case, Ethereum went out, the new token came in, and everything is tracked neatly in one place, that is in exchange. Now it won't be counted as taxable. Now let's say you merged the wrong entries or you want to separate them again. To do that, you will simply open the merge transaction, then go to the ledger tab, and here you will click on split entries. Koinly will break it back down into the original individual rows just like before. So if you had merged 2 or even 3 transactions, they will all reappear separately again. This is really useful when you realize 2 transactions weren't actually related or you just want to review them individually. Next, you can also edit any transaction whenever you need. For that, you will simply click on the 3 dots on the top right corner of the transaction. Then click on edit. From here, you can change the date and time, the asset or amount, the fees, or add tags like airdrop, mining, or gift. And once it's done, click on Save button. Now, if you want to mark the transaction as spam, you will simply click here and then select Mark as spam. Or you can also click on Delete to remove it permanently if it's a duplicate. And that's it. Now you know how to merge, split, and edit transactions in Koinly to make sure every transaction is properly categorized and your tax reports are accurate.